Akosoweto namhlanje uMaimane wathola ukuqinteliswa igezi esibhedlela iChristian Baragwanath. Lokhu kwenzeka nje uMaimane uhlele ukuthoma ijima lokutlikitlwa kwencwadi evumelana nokuthi iindawo zomphakathi zikhutshwe ehlelweni lokuqinteliswa kwegezi. uMaimane uthi urhulumende ujamile ngelokuthi uyozibilayeza ngesiqundwesi ukutsho ukuthi urhulumende usitha sesitjhaba.
Health is a right that is enshrined, that calls on any government to say you must provide health for your citizens. But the rights of this country in the Constitution aren't just limited to health. They are also provided for in safety. They are provided for in education. It's provided for in the right to life. But none of us can help the fact that when there's load shedding, those rights disappear.
Ikhotho ephakeme kwePitori inikele urhulumende amalanga ama-60 ukuthi eze nenye indlela yokuthola igezi nakhiba akakhona ukukhupha indawo zomphakathi ehlelweni lokuqinteliswa kwegezi. uMaimane uthi urhulumende ujamile ngolokuthi uyozibilayeza ngesiqundwesi okutsho ukuthi urhulumende usitha sesitjhaba.
None of us ever thought we would live under a government that when it is compelled by the courts to provide electricity, it says, we are going to fight against this court ruling. In essence, you are not fighting against the court, you are fighting against the people of this country.
uMaimane unethemba lokuthi incwadi yesivumelwano etlikitlwako le izokubeka urhulumende ngaphasi kwegandelelo lokuthi angaqindelisa igezi begodu izokusindisa impilo yabantu. Kanti uMaimane uba amaSouth Africa ukuthi atlikitle incwadi le athi batjho itholakala ku website yehlangano yakhe nakezinye inkundla zokuthintana.
Fellow South Africans, and I want to invite all Dinosa. I heard them on television saying they welcome the judgment. SATU, the South African Democratic Teachers Union, said they welcome the judgment. The police also say they welcome the judgment. Join the petition we are launching today to demand that Minister UPravin Gordan must suspend this crazy, illegal, immoral challenge to this court case.
Izakhamuzi zeSoweto ziyayisekela indaba le kanti zikhola ukuthi indaba yokungaqinteliswa kwegezi kwendawo zomphakathi ingaphumelela begodu zibawa urhulumende ukuthi abekelela amaSouth Africa phambili.
Hey, you know what, we feel like the government doesn't care about its own people because you know how many children are dying bana babaling in the incubators when the electricity goes off.
So siyacela ukuthi ugovernment azame impilo enye engcono ngoba bonke labantu bazoshona and then sizoyithatha phi imali ukuthi singcwaba abantu.
uMaimane uthi incwadi yesivumelwano etlikitlwako le izokuthathwa isiwe eParliament lapho iyokatelela khona urhulumende ukuthi enze into efaneleko ekhulunywe ikhotho maSouth Africa kunye nomthetho sisekelo welizweli. Uthi ngahoneka ukuthi kukatelelwe indaba le ukwenzela ukusindisa impilo yabantu kodwa uthi lokho kungenzeka kwaphela nayikhibe amaSouth Africa asikimela phezulu ngombana ilizwe lekhethweli sele ngaphakathi kwemiraro ebelingakayilindeli.